Hey, hey, don't walk away. Okay. I'll follow you. Back it up, back it up, back it up. She's now entering the swears. And it's diarrhea.
Yeah! You don't know that? Then yeah! Yeah. Represent Oneida. Oneida from a few hours up the road. You don't know about us? Then you better come find out. Yeah!
And it's Preston. Preston.
What's up, John?
Elise.
Oh, no.